myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the topic that is universe 1 lakh minimum age. In this basically we are talking about the Earth planet basically got born basically, and Earth planet dead death basically, that is basically not there, but generation end is basically there. Generation example basically I have already explained basically, and in this basically the due to this population basically the world basically might get in trouble. So please check it basically what actually this population want basically, and try to solve this population problem basically. So like this basically the human maximum age of one person basically Earth planet basically is 90,000 year basically. So Ayodhya Ram Janmabhoomi basically inauguration basically has done, and in this basically the 7 days basically is the given by the group basically. So this is the basically list physical task. Like this basically everything basically we have discussed, and in this basically we discussed lots of things basically. So in this main thing basically which was discussing, that is one story of the Sunil R. Nair Lakshya web solution basically. Laksh basically that is actually Hindi word basically, but it has given one English word basically. Laksh means target basically. Target means, for example, one person is not getting job right. So that is basically target basically of some group basically, that he is not supposed to get the job. So that's basically target of the group basically. And this basically name is also basically written like this. Just see the name also uses Laksh web solution basically. See the name basically. This is actually in Vadodara basically. Vadodara city basically, which is in Earth planet, which is in India, which is in Gujarat, which is currently moving downside of the Earth. For example, Earth planet is moving. Earth planet Vadodara city is downside basically. Location of the Vadodara city is down basically. Not this side also, not this side also, not this side also, downside basically. Check that basically. So like this, one of the person told that it's very dangerous. So like this basically Sunil Nair story basically tells basically that Laksh web solution basically told that basically you are rejected from the technical side basically. So Chennai group basically rejected it, and in this basically the Chennai group told that basically sorry, we can't basically give him job basically because he is technically not good basically. But in really basically Chennai group has basically not got the resume only basically. He was only basically telling that basically we are not able to give. Why? Because he is basically telling that your behavior is not good basically. What behavior basically? If you have 22 years experience basically, and then you see the video also basically, then also basically you are not getting job, that means basically some problem is there basically. So like this basically the clients basically is there, USA is there. So USA basically says that we are basically moving, we are also moving, UK is also moving. So this group basically are the entire IT industry basically is given to this group basically. So one of the person told that basically, for example, Asian country basically will move basically from the Russia, UK and USA basically. For example, they are doing the partition basically, that this partition basically, for example. So some group has basically told that basically if we are basically moving also, then basically we have given the entire control to USA, UK basically, Singapore basically. If you want to verify, you can verify basically. You tell basically Sunil R. Nair is not supposed to get job. You see basically whether he is getting job or not basically. Like this you verify basically. Like this you verify basically. Like this basically Indian group basically are telling that you verify basically. So that is basically BJP and Congress basically. That groups are basically telling verify like this basically, and like this basically these groups are verifying also basically. So currently we will see the earthquake basically which has came to just now basically with the earthquake basically. So I am connecting again back to the internet. So currently basically what is the earthquake status? Alaska, Philippines, New Zealand, Syria also basically got today earthquake. Assam basically is there. See, basically Assam also basically got earthquake. See, basically Italy also basically got earthquake basically. Romania also basically got earthquake. See, basically Turkey, Chile, Spain, Chile, Turkey, again Chile, Turkey, Turkey, Turkey. Everywhere basically it is Turkey only basically. Turkey, 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 Turkey. Everybody, every time basically it's Turkey only basically. So let's see basically what actually the Turkey is. Turkey, king ruling person basically. Who is the king ruling person of the Turkey basically? Current king ruling.
Tayyip Erdogan. Tayyip Erdogan.
Tayyip
Tayyip Erdogan.
Tayyip Erdogan. And is this
Tayyip Erdogan.
Tayyip Erdogan. See basically.
Tayyip Erdogan.
So this is that basically. So that's why basically Turkey basically is getting the earthquakes basically. So one of the person told that basically, yeah, this person basically, this group basically is telling that basically this group basically is in Vadodara city, and they are basically telling that we will not give job to Sunil Nair for, and then basically Vadodara city has not given job, Chennai group has not given job, USA, UK, Singapore, Canada, Russia, nuclear plant basically. Just see basically how many nuclear plants are basically in Russia. Nuclear power plants in Russia basically. We will discuss the nuclear power plant of Russia basically. See basically these all are the place basically. These all are the nuclear plant basically. See basically, see plant name also, see basically. So see basically the nuclear power plant you see basically here. How many nuclear power plants basically are there basically? And we will see the Indian power plant also basically, because Vadodara person rejected. India power nuclear power plant basically. See basically this is India nuclear power plant basically. See basically these all are basically the India nuclear power plant. See basically Karnataka is the first basically. Gujarat is also basically there. Surat is there. Tamil Nadu is there. Uttar Pradesh is also there. Rajasthan is there. Maharashtra is also there basically. Tarapur basically. Palghar, in Palghar basically. So next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.